Welcome back guys to my channel. Today guys we have a Windows 10 laptop that settings won't open. If you click the start button and click the settings, it will just flash and close there. Even if you open it in the Windows, same problem. So I have 3 solutions here that we will try. First thing is we need to reinstall the settings. We will right click here and Windows PowerShell admin, and I have this code here that you will just copy paste. I will just put this in the description. You just paste here. You can just right click and it will automatically paste, or use Control C to copy and Control V for paste, and just hit enter. Performing operation. So that's completed guys. See, it's just a control panel reinstall. So we will try to open guys if this first solution will work. So same problem guys, it will close, but I will just for this I will just restart guys to make it sure, and after that so we just restart the laptop and let's test again guys. Settings, so same problem guys. So the next step we do is we need to reinstall most of the settings here by this command. Same, we go to start and right click the start button, Windows PowerShell admin, yes, and right click, it's automatically processing guys. So it's installing most of the Microsoft settings guys. If there's corrupt, so it should be fixed. If it's not automatically working guys, you just hit enter there. So let's wait until fully finished. And we'll be back guys. We'll just post this one. So we are done, but we have lots of error here and there. We just close this Windows and let's try to restart the system guys. Let's save. I will save the video first and let's restart. So after we restart the device, we will test the settings again. Hopefully it will work. And yeah, it works. Look at this guys, setting is working. So actually guys, if no way, the setting just close. Let's do it again. That is a big no way guys. here we open the settings, and let's go here, and it close. So the next thing we do, guys, is we will make an account here. We will copy this one. We will just right click in the start menu, because we cannot make account in the settings because settings will close, so we will use command this one. We will add this user, but we will change the username to your desired. So I'll name this PC2 and enter. So it's created successfully, guys. And also we need to do this one. Right click, Control P, nope, Control V, and we will rename this to PC2. Enter. The command successfully. Okay, so we will log in the new account, and you can migrate your settings here. You can delete this one and transfer to the old account. So let's transfer. No, because we cannot. We will just stop here, and let's. So we just transfer to the new account. We just click here and log out here, sign out, so we can log into the new account. So this is the new account PC2 that we made, and the password is password. Hopefully this will fix the problem. So here's the settings. You can update Windows after successfully, guys, repair. So I think this is working for now, because it does not close, and probably it's because when the user or the user account is corrupted. So if the two first tricks is not working, then do this one. So setting is now back to normal, guys. To migrate the files of the previous account, all you have to do, guys, is to go to this account, and you want to transfer all these files to this one. You just hit the account and delete this one, the previous, and hit the skip files and delete account. So what this will do, guys, is to delete the previous account and put the files here in the desktop. So we will wait for a couple of minutes. Here we can see the new account is in here and the other account is deleted. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check all my videos in my channel. There are lots of videos, tutorials on how to repair stuff, and peace.